In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a bar over a letter in Google Docs. This is a handy trick, often used in mathematical or scientific documentation to indicate repeating decimals or vectors. Whether you're preparing a report, a presentation, or even a simple homework assignment, mastering this skill can add a professional touch to your documents. Let's get started. First, we need to open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. In the address bar, type in google.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to sign into your Google account to access Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you should see a sign in button in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. After you've typed it in, click Next. Then you'll need to enter your password. Again, click Next. After doing so, this will bring you into your Google account where all of Google's services, including Docs, are easily accessible. In the upper right-hand corner of the Google homepage, you'll see a small grid or box, sometimes called the Google Apps badge. Click on this box, and from the list of services, select Google Docs. Now, you should see a list of your saved documents. Go ahead and open the document you want to edit or create a new one if you prefer. Once your document is open, you'll want to navigate to the Insert menu at the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, select Equation. This action will display a new toolbar specifically for mathematical equations right below the standard toolbar. On this new equation toolbar, locate and click on the Math Operations option. You'll find this represented by various mathematical symbols. Scroll through this menu until you find and select the Overline option. It usually looks like a small icon with a straight bar positioned above a lowercase x. Once selected, a small placeholder box will appear in your document, signaling where you can type your desired letter or symbol. All you need to do is click inside this box and type the letter or symbol that you want to place a bar over. And just like that, the letter will appear with a bar above it, giving your document that neat, professional look. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to put a bar over a letter in Google Docs. With this newfound knowledge, you can make your documents more versatile and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.